Okay, let's have a quick look at how we can install Pages CMS locally. First thing is, I'm gonna go get the code on GitHub. I'm gonna make some room for my terminal here, and we're gonna clone it. And then I'm gonna go and check out my instructions on the README file. There you go. First thing is to install the dependencies. So I'm gonna go in my repo and just run npm install. Right after this is done, which shouldn't take long, I'm gonna create a GitHub OAuth app. So you can click on that link, go on GitHub, and then you'll be able to go and register a new application. I'm actually giving you some instructions on what you could use for the application name, the homepage URL, and then the last one is actually the callback URL that will run out of our local app for OAuth. Click on register the application, and I have a client ID, all great, but also will need a client secret, so I'm going to do just that. Give me a second, I need my OTP here for GitHub. And then right after we're done with this, we should be able to move on to the next step, which is creating a file environment variable. So there's in the repo, there is an example that you can copy. So I'm going to copy .dev.vars.example into .dev.vars, and then I'm going to vi into this file. And as you can tell, I just need to go and drop the values that I just got from GitHub when I created the OAuth app. So let's do the client secret first. I'm going to drop it here, and then the client ID second. And there you go. Saved. I now should be able to just run the app. So npm run dev, and let's wait for a few more seconds. There you go. Looks like it's running without a problem. And I'm going to go to that URL, and beautiful, it's working. And when I click on sign in with GitHub, I see this icon, which is the default icon that was generated by GitHub. And if I authorize that session, then I should be able to, for example, fetch the there you go, access the website for Pages CMS, which is already configured, obviously, but everything seems to be working. For example, I could go here, and I can tell that I could go and edit the configuration page on the website. So that's it. We have Pages CMS running locally. Hopefully that's helpful.